Come close. Let's get into position.
Position?
Yeah. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today, we're in our comfy clothes.
We're in our jammies.
We're in our jammies. All right, so before we start, we have to give a huge shout out to our friends, Brandon and Kelly. As you know, our camera, all of our YouTube gear, everything got stolen in Las Vegas. If you want that story, link below. All the secret links are below. They let us use their Canon SL1, their tripod, everything like that. So we have a camera again until we pull the funds together to purchase our own stuff again.
We are really thankful. Thank you.
So we're super thankful.
So a lot.
It's a weekday. We had some ground beef in the refrigerator. So I'm like, what are we gonna make? Sloppy Joes.
Yeah, which I haven't had since I was 12.
Yeah, Babe. And then Babe was like, we'll pick up a can at the store when you go to the store. And I was
like a man-witch.
And I was like, no, Babe, no. We're doing it all fresh. Peppers, garlic, onions, beef, beer. This is gonna get funky.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Oh, and I bought the mozzarella provolone.
Yeah, but you forgot the French fries.
Yeah, but we had French fries here in the air fryer.
Lucky for you.
So anyways, without further ado, let's just jump into this cook. Sloppy Joes on a weeknight in your pajamas. Here we go! Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
You just had to... All right, I will get into that later. That's not part of this video. Let's talk about the Sloppy Joes.
Our ingredients for this evening consist of beer, chipotle, tomato paste.
I bought the big thing of chipotle peppers because I want to start using those more.
Yeah, it's yummy stuff. Grass-fed ground beef, salt and pepper, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, peppers, onions.
Bam!
That's it.
Babe, normally we should probably use 80-20, but...
Well, this is a healthy Sloppy Joe.
It's a healthy Sloppy Joe?
Yeah, with my French fries. So I'm gonna throw these in here.
So you're gonna do some green peppers and some garlic in the Ninja Foodie. We already bought some pre-cut onions, and then we're gonna get those rolling. So let's take it over to the cast iron. You can use a pan, you can use a cast iron, you can use whatever, and do you, boo-boo. Garlic and green peppers, bell peppers.
There we go. I love this thing. What's another Christmas present? No, you know you always get me cooking stuff for Christmas? Have you put that together? You always get me, well, there was one year you got me new running shoes that I didn't ask for and a water bottle. Told me I needed to exercise. And the rest of the time you've got...
You are making me out to just be a...
You've gotten me food items. Do you think you want me to be a kept woman or what?
I love you.
Yeah. I'm gonna start with olive oil. We're gonna put in our peppers, our garlic, and our onions, and we're gonna sweat them. Okay, so we're gonna put all this in here. Ooh, that smells good. That chicken that you made last night, boy, I had some garlic breath this morning. That was rough. All right, you don't want all these onions, so you're probably gonna use, is that about a quarter of a cup?
I don't even like onions that much.
Okay, well, I'd say that's about a quarter cup. So we're gonna just leave them in there for about 2 minutes to get it sweating and get all of those flavors to start combining.
What you doing, babe?
Cutting the beef. Yeah, I'm gonna put the beef.
You're cutting the beef?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this in there.
Babe, is that like a high school joke? No, I thought you said you're ripping the beef.
That's what I'm cutting it.
That's not like farting, no? It's like Sloppy Joes, you said you haven't had them since you're 12. Never mind, moving on. We have this 93.7 beef in the house, but normally I would like to use an 80-20 if we were making a Sloppy Joe.
Well, I'm sorry, this is what I bought.
It is grass-fed.
Yeah, it's organic.
Anyways, you guys, as a reminder, check the description with all the secret links down below. We got a bunch of stuff down there. If you like this video, of course, thumbs up. Of course, check the links. Of course, leave Babe a comment. Babe got her first hater comment today, and she's so upset. So that's fun. Anyways, back to the cook.
Alright, so this is a 6-ounce can of tomato paste.
And then you're gonna put that Worcestershire.
How do you even pronounce that properly?
I don't know, babe. Worcestershire sauce?
Worcestershire.
Yeah, you're gonna put like, what, 5 dashes, something like that?
Got a little Worcestershire.
Maybe a little bit more. What do you think?
No more?
I don't know. I love that stuff.
You do?
That's good. Yeah, you don't love it?
Well, you don't like Bloody Marys, so I'm surprised you don't like it.
No, I don't like Bloody Marys.
You like it.
But I do like Sloppy Joes.
Learned this little trick from our new favorite YouTuber, Sam the Cooking Guy. So we're adding some chipotle to it, which is gonna add some smoky flavor. I'm really excited to try this. I've never had that before. All right, so we're mixing this all up. We want the heat to get in there and we kind of want all the flavors to marry. And then we're gonna add some beer as our final touch. This looks really good.
What type of beer? What type of beer are you using? That, well, actually, I'm the one that got it at the supermarket.
You got the Modelo.
I was gonna get Anchor Steam, but then Babe and I aren't real big beer people. We should have used the Hexagenia from.
Oh, we should have used our Hexagenia.
I know, but Babe, that's hard to come by.
That's true. You want to drink that. Okay, let's start with that.
So you want it to be that good sloppy Joe consistency.
It's like, my mouth is kind of watering talking about it. Like you want it to be thin enough, but you want it to still have like a texture to it. You get me? Do you get me?
I don't know. It might even need to be a little more sloppy, or what do you think?
I'm gonna put a little more in. Who's drinking the rest of that?
Me.
Figures. All right, the last ingredient is gonna be salt and pepper.
Lots of salt, lots of pepper.
And then we gotta let it set. Kind of like spaghetti sauce,
You gotta let it simmer for a little while.
but not. Yeah, it takes a little while to get those flavors married.
Yeah, you're gonna heat that up in the second cast iron.
I am?
Yeah, you're gonna toast it. We gotta toast our buns,
I was
babe.
gonna put it in the toaster.
Oh, I would do it in the cast iron, face down. Hot and spicy.
Really?
Yeah, that's a gangster way to do it, babe.
Okay.
Right here. There you go. Get that
All right.
get that hot. There you go.
Okay, babe. Okay.
Oh, this is smelling so good.
Good?
Yeah, perfect. Nice toasted butter buns.
Ooh, you're my butter buns.
Let's
Okay, I
build
wanna
it,
put
babe.
A little bit of cheese on.
I would put. You're putting
The
cheese
bottom
first?
too.
Oh, you're doing bottom and top cheese? What kind of cheese is this? Oh.
Mott's Improve. Okay. So we're gonna start there. Goodness. A little more. Okay. Because you're gonna really need to eat this with a knife and fork.
No way, babe. I'm going full throttle. Top on.
You ready?
Boom. A Josh and Babe.
We've got
Delicious.
the French fries still to go with it.
You ate all the French fries. Some behind the scenes YouTube thumbnail action. Do I need to move the sign? I love that sign. I think it's humorous. All right, babe. Here we go.
Okay, you have a pan roasted bun.
Yeah, how come you didn't want to do your bun in the cast
I wanted
iron?
my top toasty.
Your top is toasty.
Yeah, I like my
Sloppy Joes are supposed to get, you know, sloppy.
It's so hot.
Whoa. Oh, it's all over my face.
You like it?
No, babe, no.
It's really good. It's spicy.
That's serious business right there. It's not even that spicy.
I think it's a little
I
spicy.
need a napkin. Ah.
Very flavorful. I like that I can taste the
All right, I'm back.
I can taste the beer,
I love it.
which I like.
I love it. It's so good, babe.
I just need a fork.
Yeah, we need a fork. But look at this. This is like a layer of destruction.
It's really good.
Ugh.
And I like the cheese.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to
Yeah.
Brandon and Kelly for letting us use your camera.
Thank you.
We're working on getting a new camera.
Do I have food on my face?
No, you're good. All right, everybody. See you all in the next video.